Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to give you a good A plus setup for beginners. How you can trade on US 100 and US 500 using this specific setup. So make sure you watch this video till end. And in the end of this video, I'm going to show you my result that I took trades on my instant funding platforms. So stay tuned. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. It will favor me. And also like this video. So before we start, I will teach you some theoretical point, and then I will show you what does I mean on that. Okay, so the thing is, first thing you have to do every day, your first of all, wherever you're seeing me, maybe you are from country where your time and my time are not same, but on the charge perspective, your time should be a UTC -4. So wherever you seeing me, it will match your and my time. Okay, so what I'm teaching you, always the New York time. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, you have to mark out the 9:50 a.m. and 10:10 a.m. These are the macros, ICT macros. So every hour we have 3 macros. First one is 10:20 to 40, and then 50 to 10, like this. We have these macros. Okay, so make sure you mark out 9:50 and 10 a.m. okay, as a beginner. Okay, if you are advanced, you can you don't need these things. You can directly trade after the market open 9:30. You can find your setup until the 11 or the lunch time. Okay, so your entry time should be between on this area. Okay, the manipulation or whatever I'm going to show you, okay, it can happen before, okay, it can happen exact that time, it can happen during that time, okay, but always your entry should be between there as a beginner. Okay, and after you learn something, then you can also wait for another macros, okay, where you can take trade. Okay, so first of all, as a beginner, you only trade on this area, means you only enter. Okay, exit can be happen after this 10. Okay, exit can be happen between this time if market is sharply moving to your TP side. Okay, so what happens specifically, if you are bearish, you will see price will go against you first on the micros time, okay, or can before macros time, okay, and it can give you any ICT market structure shift, change in the state of delivery, or any confirmation from where you can take the entry. Okay, and 1 to 2 risk to reward or your liquidity area. Listen folks, these manipulation or whatever, okay, it can happen before. I'm telling you, only can entry. It mean it can happen that price are going to your fair value gap on your macros time. Okay, it can happen in the end of that macros, it can happen in the beginning, or it can happen during the macros. Okay, so this is the basic rules. Now let me show you something here. So in this setup, okay, you can add multiple confluences like SMT, okay, and another criterias as well. So always the thing is that if you are bearish, you will see first manipulation or SMT. If you didn't find the manipulation, you will find an SMT with your correlation pairs. Okay, so let's go to the trade. Okay, so we have I have one session indicator where this is, we have Asia, we have London, we have New York. Okay, so what we have, we don't need these much 300-400 pips. Okay, 300-400 points. We need only 1 to 2 a simple setup. Okay, so first we mark out our 950. Okay, and after this video, many people will ask about the time frame. Time frame is all depends on you. Okay, you can trade 15 minutes, you can trade 5, you can trade 1 minute. But what is that? I basically found a 5-minute or 15-minute PD race on in this 1 hour. Okay, and wait 1 minute to form this structure like market structure shift or change in the state of delivery to the trade. Okay, So what happened, I also took the trade. I will show you exactly on my instant funding platform. Just wait, okay? So I'm in 1 minute time frame, okay, and let me go to here, okay. I will show you. Even though I am a little bit pro trader than you, so I took trade from here, okay, from where, from this area, because for me this is also a macro stem for 1 hour, okay. So but for as a you are beginner, so you can take trade from here. So what happened here exactly, price manipulate and reach to a fair value gap, okay. Here if you go to 5 minute, you will see also here is a PD rate, your order block. I will show you. See, we have this order block, okay, and if you see here as a multiple confluences, we have these equals highs, relative equal highs, and if you go to US and US 500, you will see price, these London high and New York high are not relative equal, okay. There will be, you see, some sort of this SMT, okay. So here what happened, another thing, we took the this liquidity, okay, from here, okay. It's become my CRT model as well, candle range theory, and then price tap on this order block and give rejection close below that, okay, below this fair value gap, okay, this 5 minute fair value gap. If you see here, this is my 5 minute fair value gap, okay. So what happened then, I took trade exact on the mid of this fair value gap, and then I wait for 1 2 3 my risk to reward, okay. So if you go to 1 minute time frame for you, I will show you here, so you will find the setup, okay. What is that, you as you seen here, let me remove this green line so you will understand more correctly. So price, what happened, it's reach and then give you a market structure shift, right? And then what we have this fair value gap, and then we took the trade here, and then you can target 1 2 3. Your SL will be here upon here, okay, or more safe you can put here as well, okay. Price, because if there is, because this was the news candle, 10 a.m. little bit there was a fluctuation of price, so it can sometime, you know, spike on this area if because you see the market reach very bottom on that particular day, so sometimes this happen. So always be safe, okay. And 1 2 3. So now let's go to the previous day. Also I will show the previous day trade, then I will show you my instant funding platform. So what happened, you see here that and micros time you get the entry and you can go to downside. So for your disclaimer, I will tell you, sometime price will hit your SL as well. So it doesn't mean the setup is not work. It's 70% have win rate on these macro setups, okay. But folks, that's why we put the SL. If you are here to find a 100% strategy, you will never find in any YouTube channel or any guru, okay. Only you learn, listen folks, okay, no one give you this advice, only you learn once you start trading on it. Make sure you didn't catch on the trap of learning. What you learn, practice that one next 3 months and you will see the result, okay. You will always see the result, just you need a patience. This market need a patience, no need a strategy. This market need a patience. If you have a patience, you can take a trade, because for many of them this will be the trade, okay. But many of them got afraid by this candle, many of them got this trade, but many of them afraid by this while this candle going upside, because they are thinking this is order block. So this market need a patience. Once you are in the trade, off the screen and wait for your SL or TP. Don't make your SL increase or don't adjust your TP while on the trade, and don't watch always like that. After the facts, after the price hit your TP or SL, then analyze what you are wrong, where are you wrong, and what should you don't do next time. That's all I can tell you. Okay, so sorry, let's go to the previous day. So in the previous day, I'm going to show you the macro time, but I will also show you I took trade at what time. Okay, so basically I explain you I took trade on this inversion, and 9:30 price came here. I took trade exactly here, and I exit on this area. But for you, I will show you what is macros look like and how you can take trades on macros. Okay, this for your study. You can go and watch every day on US 500, US 100, US 30. Okay, you will find this. So this price tap on 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour resistance. If you go, you can check. This is the day 27 March where I making this video. So you can check this 4 hour where price reach. Okay, and also you will see here price market structure shift. Okay, okay, and then come to your fair value gap. So what happened here? The manipulation or the trade build up is happened before the time. Okay, your trade entry between there. Okay, and then 1 to 2, 1 to 3, it's up to you. Okay, that's all. So I hope you learned. Now let me show you trades that I took personally. This is my instant funding prop firm. I will give you the link. It is a very, very cheap, folks. You will never find this much cheap prop firm and very good spread. Okay, now the market is already open and it's now the London time, and you see on 5 minutes how the good spread of the market on NAS 100. Okay, so make sure you on this prop firm choose a trader log, and that 25k account you will find in $107 with 80% profit split and 5% daily drawdown, 10% overall drawdown with demand payout also, and monthly also. It's all available there. You will find the link in the description. Make sure you did not miss this opportunity. So let's see. Just avoid these lines because this for my study basically. And if you see, as I told you there, that my CRT, so here, and if you see I sell from here, I out from this area. Okay, so this was my trade on this odd block, and my TP was there upside. And if you can see, it's, for example, my trade hit here, and then I have this 33 point stop loss, and my TP was almost 100 point something. So it's 1 to 3 RR. And I will show you, as even though I show you 2 examples on the trading view chart, but I will show you 3-4 trades here that you can see that I'm not telling you anything like. So here, as I told you that I took trade from here and then I sell from here. Okay, on this candle when it's going upside, I understand that is the, because I already mark here 4 hours, so I see the candle strongness and then I exit from here. Okay. So why I didn't take this trade? Because I only take 1 or maximum 2 trades in a day on New York. I didn't trade London or PM session whatsoever, so called. So I only trade that. So that's only make you a successful trader. Trading is not showing you my balance. Trading is not showing you my profit. Is showing that my strategy, what I am doing, is working. Even though I am wrong in some places, it doesn't mean that no one is wrong. I always wrong sometime, but I am stick with my trading setup. So here I took 2 trades as I told you. Okay, here these are 5 minute fair value gap was there. Okay, and trade is on 940. So this is also my for time, and I took from upside on this candle and I exit from here. Then I again took this candle and exit from here. Okay, I don't need these 100 pips. Okay, and let me show you here. I took here buy trade. Okay, second buy and exit on this area, first exit, second exit. Okay, because why I took these two trades, because I see the behavior of the price later on PM session. Price make a good move, but I see price maybe a little bit consolidate and make me suffer. So I just take another, I open another position to hit a fast my inside, but that is my management that I put what is called here the break even. Okay, sorry. So I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure you subscribe this channel and join this pro forum, link in the description. Don't miss, don't use your money, not do any stupid things. Until next time, be safe, best of luck.